Hi, Mom. How's it going?
Good.
Wow, we're in Guatemala.
I know. I'm ready for bed.
Let's go hike that volcano.
Yes.
Here we go up the volcano. We're with the tour group. I usually don't like going with tour groups because it's slow and you have to wait for people. I like going at my own speed, but this is the way to do it in Guatemala because it's not so much to show you the way up the mountain, it's to protect you in case banditos come. I know that because I have been robbed. He wants to play. Yeah.
It's okay. Don't
Yeah,
I'm not a
buddy.
horse. No, don't bite it.
See those horses behind us? They're following us. And at first I'm like, why the hell are the horses coming up here with us? And the little old lady said, taxi, taxi. So I think they follow the tourist for a little bit. The tourists are like, I don't need a horse. And then when the tourists get tired, they're like, here's your horse. It's the easy way up. I would like to point out that this is my mom's very first volcano.
Yay!
And this is a live volcano. I actually climbed this volcano. It was my first volcano too, way back when I was 22 years old. Not only was it my first volcano, but I filmed that adventure, and it was my very first travel video I ever made. Here we are on Volcano Pacaya. That's the Volcano Pacaya here outside of Antigua, about 2 hours away. This is kind of funny. Those dogs, those little dogs are harassing the shit out of that horse. The horse doesn't care though. It's like, whatever, I'm way bigger. You know, I'm really proud of my mom. She's keeping up with a bunch of 20-something backpackers. She's holding her own. She's struggling a little bit, but she's getting it done. And more than anything, it's fun to just show her a place that I love so much. A place where my travel career really started. It was all right here on this volcano in Guatemala. That's crazy. And here she is. Hi, Mom.
Oh, hi, Rye.
How's it going?
Good. How about you?
I'm doing great. It's always fun to come back to a place you were at so long ago. Like all the twists and turns, it seems like, oh yeah, I remember that turn. I remember this part of the trail. It's really cool. Now we're getting into the part where it's kind of jungly and it's overgrown over the trail. I remember being very excited seeing this when I was 22. I'd never seen like a jungle. We're getting closer to the top of the volcano. We got crazy looking trees everywhere. It's starting to rain more. It's getting foggy.
Como 45 años más o menos, pero es muy joven.
Mom, she just said she thought you were 40-something years old. You got it.
Yep.
Let's give you a little push.
Okay.
Ah. There's the view of Pacaya. We are near the lava fields now, and you can see how big of a volcano it is and all the area that it has covered. When I came here in 2002, I was just talking to the guide. You could go up to the top, it was really steep. She's like, it's completely different now. There were some big eruptions in 2006 and 2010. Changed the landscape of the entire volcano. So, my mom is lucky it's not nearly as steep as it was when I did it. think of Guatemala Central America being tropical and hot and warm and steamy. Well, it's not always like that. On top of these volcanoes, it's cold and windy, but it is certainly beautiful.
I'm doing the dork thing.
You having fun up here?
Yes, I am.
Hello. Good picture. So this one behind me is Pacaya. That's the live volcano that we're climbing. The ones over here, that's Volcán Agua and Fuego. We are now walking down this steep area, my mom's favorite, and I think we're heading down to where the vents are. And we're gonna roast some marshmallows. I would help you, but I really need to get this shot.
Yeah, thanks,
You gonna make a marshmallow, Mom?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
There. Lava roasted marshmallows. Mmm.
There is, seems to be a tourist traffic jam right here. Overload. So this, my friends, is what a lava field looks like. It's definitely an otherworldly look, like another planet. And as you walk around, it kind of breaks and snaps, kind of like you're walking on glass. And it is warm. You can feel a little bit of heat coming out of some of the vents, which is pretty cool. Let's go this way. Come on, volcano's over here. Hey, you there, sit in that chair. Please subscribe to my channel. I promise to keep you entertained and put a smile on your face and throw out some inspiration at you and all sorts of other good things. So just click right here. All right, we are back down. I'm all dusty. All right, Mom, you did it.
I did it.
First volcano down.
Uh-huh.